Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. I know it's been a while and I'm sorry, but I can honestly tell you that I have a million excuses in the world, but I really don't. The fact is stuff happened and I got to where I just couldn't do YouTube and I couldn't, I didn't craft, I didn't do anything. Like, I got really sad and I'm so glad you found your squeaker during all of this. Pretty much my 2018 in a nutshell was really fun at the beginning of the year, great up until summer, midsummer, really bad. My dog got sick. If you've ever seen me post about Ollie on my Instagram, or I might even talk about him on here. I don't remember if I've ever posted about him on here. I'll have to go back and look. But he got sick. We took him to the vet multiple times, and he got misdiagnosed. First they told us, oh, he has an ear. No, first they told us he's hot. That's why he's throwing up. It's just because it's hot and it's the summertime and he's a big dog and he needs to lose the weight anyway. I'm like, okay, that's weird. But I'm like, okay, well, he's the vet. He knows what he's talking about. And then he kept, like, he was always messing with his ears. And I was like, well, maybe he's got an ear infection. And I took him back and I said, how he's been messing with his ears, he's been shaking his head, he's been scratching his ears a lot, and I'm like, does he have an ear infection? Is that possible? They tested him, he did. And I said, can it be because he's got an ear infection, he's not eating, and he's throwing up? I'm like, oh yeah, we've seen that before, that could possibly be it. They're like, come back in a couple weeks, check his weight, and if he's still not eating, we'll go from there. He didn't even make it those couple weeks. My sister-in-law and her family came down to visit us and other family that we have here, and after they left, like a week after they left, he passed away. And it was so sad and so hard to deal with, and I don't want to cry about this, and I don't really necessarily wanted to talk about this, but this is why I stopped doing YouTube for a long time, and it was just a lot going on, a lot. So obviously I got another dog, and I got her. And I'll show you her. This is Luna. This is Luna right here. She's not tiny at all. In fact, she's quite big. Nowhere near as big as Ollie. But she's sweet. She's an Australian Shepherd and Lab mix. Ollie was a German Shepherd and Lab mix. But we ended up getting another dog. We made the decision as a family to get another dog because we wanted to be able to honor his life and give another dog that wouldn't have had the life that he had and bring him into our home and give her love like he had. I hate how it happened with Ollie. I hate that went down like that, but I'm not going back to that vet, and I'm making sure that everything that she needs is taken care of on top of it. And so far everything's been really good. And that sounds so stupid. It's like, oh, you didn't take care of Ollie. No, that's not the case. I took very good care of Ollie. If you know me, you know that he was my baby. Like, he was my dog. And yeah, he was special. But then, now we got this baby that's very much so my husband's dog. Why she's trying to eat me right now. But he's at work right now, so she's my dog. She's still a puppy. Very much so a puppy, and she's going to be in a lot of my new videos and stuff, I'm sure. I'm the speaker again. Anyway, so this video is going to be really long if I keep going on and talking like this. But, so today I just wanted to get on here, and I talked about posting on my Instagram, posting a goals video for 2019. Whew, 2019, I'm so glad 2018 is over. I talked about doing a goals video. I talked about trying to post more, so that's what I wanted to do today. I wanted to go over my goals, just not necessarily personal goals, but goals of what I have planned for my channel and my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me at hello.sparkles on Instagram, and that's it. That's the only social media I have besides this. It's over there. I threw it over there. Go get it. I have a whole list here that I wrote out. Yeah, a whole one page, not even that much, and so I'm just gonna go over them, and I'm just gonna go over them. The dog, I swear. And discuss what they mean. They're just basically like bullet points. So the first one is self-promote. So my number one issue I have talked about, my nose is itchy, I'm sorry, I've got like a hair or something on the end of it and it's driving me nuts. The number one thing I've talked about on, not only on my channel before, or not on my channel, excuse me, on my Instagram before, I have posted about it, I have talked about it with friends and family. I'm like, I don't self-promote, I just expect people just to be like, oh, I like your stuff and come and follow, but they don't. And I don't put myself out there. I used to go around to like the bloggers and do the weekly, what is it called? Oh, they're called something, but it's like you basically put your blog in this thing and everybody goes and they're like, oh, I like that post, I'll go click on it, which took people to my blog post, which took people to my YouTube. So I got a lot of you, I'm sure, through that. And a lot of you probably were like, I don't know who this person is, I'm gonna unsubscribe. Over the summer, I got up to 200 subscribers. I was so excited, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get back into this. No, excuse me, after October, after I posted my pin, I got up to 200, like 201 subscribers or something like that. I was so excited, and then I was just like, yeah, this is awesome. I promoted myself, I got out there, you know, I did what I needed to do, and look, I got up to 200 subscribers. I was gonna make a video about it and everything, but I just got, like I said, I got real sad, I got depressed because of Ollie, and I just couldn't pull myself out of that mood. No matter how much I tried, I could not pull myself out of that mood. I am still in it a little bit, but I'm a lot better than I was. I'm just gonna be honest, that's how I am, that's who I am. Once I get in a mood, it takes me forever to get out of it. Forever. But I'm working on it, and I'm doing a lot better. The second thing is to watch me make things video. If you know what those are, it's basically you just watch me craft. I have thought about doing where I kind of, if it's not an instructional video like a tutorial or whatever, if I'm just talking, maybe just have a crafty talk, and basically I'm just talking about whatever's bothering me or whatever's going on in my life. I thought about doing that, but right now I'm still calling to watch me make things video, or watch me craft, or watch me do this, watch me do that, whatever it is. It's me crafting, and you're gonna watch it. Well, I hope you watch it. Try to post one video a month. I'm really bad about, I'll post like 2 or 3 videos back to back, and then I'll take a huge break, and I won't post anything for 2 or 3 months. And that's kind of what happened over the summer. I was doing really good, and then Ollie passed, and then I posted one video because I was excited about October, but I couldn't get into October because I was still sad. And then it was just, oh well, I'm just done for a while. I'm not even gonna mess with it. So I decided to take time and not worry about it. I'm going to try to stay on the ball of posting at least one video a month. So look out, world, here I come. My goal this year is to get to 300 subscribers. If I can get to 200 without trying that hard, I know I can hit 3. I'm hoping for more. I know I can do it. More would be great. So pass me along. Sounds horrible. That makes me sound like I might be a paraphernalia. Don't pass me along. Pass my videos along. Share my videos with your friends if you would. Don't over criticize myself. So I have a really bad problem of I'll make 2 or 3 versions of what I'm doing right now, recording myself, because I'm like, oh, that was stupid. Oh, I talk too fast, which I do. I talk really fast, especially when I get excited. I have to I can't say the word. I have to sit there and think about slowing down my words, because a lot of people, especially in my own family, they're like, I don't know what you just said. You went a mile a minute? Don't know what you said. So I have to sit there and think, okay, I have to slow down. If I get really excited, which I am right now, I'm really bad about going through and making multiple videos, because I'm like, oh, I talked too fast. Oh, I was mumbling. Oh, my face looked too gross in that video. Oh, my hair was standing up. Everything that I'm sitting there pointing out that the average Joe might not even see. And I need to sit there and stop doing that. Stop criticizing myself for something you guys might not even notice. Make a weekly/monthly schedule. So I got this planner right here. It's hard to see, but it's 2019 this Galaxy or whatever. But I got them from Michael's on their one-day sale. I got this at Michael's on their one-day sale. I got it on the 2nd, and it was 50% off all planners. and this was originally like $24.99 or whatever, and I got it for like 14 bucks. But what I liked about it was that you get, it's pretty big. I mean, look, it's as big as my hand, and you get all the months. You get all the months, thank God. And stickers, you get all these stickers that come with it. So if you're a beginner, kind of like me, I'm not super beginner, but I'm also not pro. I'm between beginner and okay, I can do this every day. So I liked that because it had all those stickers, and you're not sitting there going through all the stickers in the like all the planner section where you're like, oh my god, do I need this, and you're not overwhelmed, because then you got matching stickers that go right with your planner, which I really liked. So anyway, so that's what I meant by make a weekly/monthly schedule, because I can go and I can write all the things down I need to do in here and keep up with it. I have this thing where I really like to make a list. Like, I love making lists of what to do. If I'm going to clean something, I make a list, I check it off. Okay, I did that. I feel accomplished in the day. This one is an obvious one, but stick to it. Like, that is a yeah, I need to do it, but I think I'm gonna watch TV instead. Like, that's what I do. I'm like, oh, I'll just I'll just watch TV and I'll get it done eventually. Oh, I'll make that later. And then it comes down to where it's at the wire, and I'm like, either I make it and post it within 2 days, or I don't do it at all. And typically it's, I don't do it at all. That's where the laziness and procrastination-ness comes out in me, and I want that to stop. I need to get on the ball with things. So my goal for this year, not only for YouTube, but in my daily life, is to be like, no, get off my butt, do what I need to do. And last but not least is show more of me. Not me, no, but me, my personality. Show more of how I am, not the scripted book read thing that I have been showing. And if I sound stupid, record it all over again. And because I'll make voiceovers on my videos. Obviously, if you watch me, you know this. And a lot of it, or not a lot of it, good majority of it is me reading off a piece of paper, and you can tell that I'm reading off a piece of paper, but it's because I get so nervous for what I have no idea. I'm home alone. I only ever record if I'm home alone. I don't record in front of other people. I don't like to, because it makes me nervous. So I'm like, I don't know why this is making me nervous. I'm by myself, looking at myself in a camera. That's stupid. So this video is the only one I'm going to shoot. It's the only, I mean, I'm going to cut it up because there are going to be parts where I'm stupid in my brain, but that's, I'm like, blah, 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 or whatever with my mouth. So I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to fix it as much as I can, but I'm only going to shoot it once. I'm only going to record this one time. And if I screw up, I screw up. But this is me. And this is how I am, and this is the person I am. I'm not going to be like, hi guys, I'm so glad you're back at my channel. No, I don't want to do that. That's not me. I'm just going to be, hi guys, it's Ashley, and this is me today. Hi guys, I got dirty hair and up in a bun. This is me today, and that was my phone. Not going to edit that out either. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to show more of me to you guys, and maybe that might be able to help me connect with you guys. And I keep looking over here or over there. It's because one, I'm thinking, and two, there's cars going by and they're very distracting. Like right now there's a giant cement truck. I mean, that's a garbage truck. Anyway, so if you hear other noises, it's because I sit in front of my window and I record. This is me. This is how I am. I hope you guys accept it. I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, I hope you really liked this video. I know it wasn't a crap video. I know it wasn't this. I know it wasn't that, but blah, blah, blah. I don't really care. This is my channel. This is me. I really hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, because you know you want to. Hit that bell even though it doesn't do anything, so maybe you can get a notification of when I post, because it's not going to be that often. Once a month at the most, or at the least. Once a month at the least. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.